one. Okay, recording in progress.
Recording and progress.
Not progress. Recording in progress. P. Okay, teacher Bobby will share screen now. Okay, let's get ready. Let's get ready. Okay, lonely. Okay, screen. Okay, students, you can turn off your microphones. Okay, turn off your microphones. Okay, thank you. Students, today I will teach you about water absorbency, okay? Water absorbency. Okay, I know vocabulary very difficult, okay? So, next slide here. This is what absorbency means. Students, absorbency means here inภาษาไทย. Okay? All right. Teacher Bobby will teach you about water absorbency. You know, absorb, okay? Absorb. In Thai, what do you call do stuff? Okay, do stuff. All right. What is water absorbency? It is when the material can absorb water. Students, water absorb, it means when the material, okay, material, wasadu, okay, when the material can absorb, dudsap, when the material can absorb water. Okay, you explain this one.
What is water absorbency ก็คืออะไรคะก็คือการดูดซับของน้ำนั่นเองนะคะการดูดซับของน้ำนั่นเองทำให้น้ำสามารถผ่านซึมเข้าไปในวัสดุนั้นได้นะคะ
Okay, now students, it can allow the water to seep into them. Okay, you just read in Thai. Okay, read this one in Thai. Is it correct? Almost. Is this correct? Okay. Okay, moving on to the next slide. Again, you see, once again, absorb, okay? Dudsap, it means items that can absorb water. Teacher B just explained you this in Thai, okay? Moving on to the next slide. So students, now B, I will explain them. Which items can absorb water, okay? All right, so students, which items can absorb water? Tell them this.
รู้ไหมว่ารายการไหนที่สามารถดูดซับน้ำได้นะคะเดี๋ยวเรามาดูกัน
Okay, so number one, you see it's called a tissue, okay? Tissue can absorb water, okay? Tissue can absorb water, okay? Number two, paper. Students, กระดาษ paper. Paper can absorb water. ดูดซับได้นะครับ Paper can absorb water, okay? Number three, sponge. Here in Thai, it's written over here for you. In Thai, you call sponge, okay? Am I right? In Thai, no.
ไทยคอฟองน้ำ
ฟองน้ำ okay. ฟองน้ำ okay. Sponge, ฟองน้ำ okay. In English, it's called sponge. Sponge can also absorb water, okay? Cotton, okay, students? Cotton. In Thai, yes. I'm sorry? Yeah, what?
ฝ้าย
Fine, okay. So cotton, for example, number one, clothes, okay? Like your t-shirt, your shirt, your pants. Yes. Towel. Okay, towel. Hachitua. Okay, in Thai you call towel in English. Then socks. Then baby diaper. Students, these are all made of cotton. Okay. Do you know, students? Do you remember fabric? Fabric. Fabric. Okay. Cotton and fabric, they are almost the same. Okay. Cotton and here, cotton and fabric, same. Okay. Same. Moving on to the next slide. Okay. All right. Now, students, here, listen. Some materials cannot absorb water, okay? Some materials cannot absorb water. There are some materials, okay, wasadu, materials that cannot absorb water, like absorb water, no. Absorb water, no. Okay, 1 second, students. Good afternoon, Metal. Metal, you can turn off your microphone. Okay. So students, yes, materials that cannot absorb water here. Metal, glass, plastic, and rubber. Okay. 1 second, students. Let me stop share. Let me share again. Yeah, the internet is slow. Okay. All right. So, students, materials that cannot absorb water. Again, metal, glass, plastic, and rubber cannot absorb water. Okay, cannot. Okay, no. Do you understand? Yes or no? Do you understand?
Yes, teacher Bobby, I understood.
Okay, very good. Okay.
Understood.
You understood. Very good. All right. Okay, students. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. This is called an umbrella, okay? Umbrella, you see? This side over here is made of metal. This one is made of plastic, okay? Here, plastic. P-L-A-S-T-I-C, plastic, metal. Students, will this absorb water or no absorb water? Yes or no? Dutsa, yes or no?
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes, no. Metal will not absorb water. Absorb means dudsap inภาษาไทย, dudsap. Plastic will not absorb water. Okay?
Yes.
Next slide. Students, look at this one. Picture number 1. Oh, 1 second. Here. Picture number 1. Picture number 2. Okay. Now look at this picture. Picture number 1. Okay. Look at this and look at these. Look at this. Okay. Again, look at this and look at this one.
Plastic.
No, not plastic. These are called gloves. Okay. Here, gloves. What do you call gloves in ภาษาไทย? ถุงมือ. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Students, gloves is not made of plastic. No. What is this made of?
Rubber.
Yes, correct. See, it's written rubber. It's written over here, rubber. Students, rubber, okay, like gloves, okay, it cannot absorb water, okay. it cannot absorb water. Okay. Now look at picture number 2 here. Picture number 2. These are called boots. Okay. These are called boots. Here, boots. Number 2, it's called boots. Students, boots are made of rubber. Yes, correct, rubber. Absorb water or no absorb water?
No absorb water.
Yes. So students, in English, you must say it will not absorb water. In English, it will not absorb water. Okay. Actually, wait. Students, 1 second. Let me think. It will not is difficult. Students, here, listen. Cannot absorb water. Easy. Cannot absorb water. Okay. Repeat after me. 3, 2, 1. Cannot absorb water.
Cannot absorb water.
Okay, again, one more time, louder. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Cannot absorb water.
Cannot absorb water.
Very good, very good. All right. Moving on to the next slide, okay? All right, look at this one, students. Look at the car, okay? Look at this picture here, okay? Picture number 1 here. Picture number 1 is called a glass. Picture, yes. Picture number 2 here. Picture number 2 is called a metal. Students, glass and metal, can it absorb water? Yes or no? Absorb, do sab. Yes or no? No, yeah. Correct. No, right? Okay, correct. That's correct. Glass and metal cannot absorb water, okay? So, no, not this one. No, not this one. Going back. All right. Once again, students, materials that cannot absorb water: metal, glass, plastic, and rubber cannot absorb water. But students, fabric, okay? Fabric can absorb water.
Absorb water.
Yes. Fabric can absorb water. Yes. Yes. Fabric can absorb water. Okay, students? So, now, teacher Bobby will stop share. Okay? Now, I will show you a video. Okay? I will show you a video. Okay? Here. Teacher Bobby will share screen. Okay? How did I do it this week? Show me. 1 second, students. 2, 1, 4, 6, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 second, students.
Recording in progress.
Share. Wait. 1 second, students. Teacher Bobby is setting up his iPad. Okay. I hope the internet is not too slow.
Homework.
No, not homework. Okay, students, watch the video. Okay, watch the video. Just a second. Good afternoon, students. My name is Teacher Bobby here. So, can you hear me? Yes or no? Can you hear me?
Yes.
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 Okay. All right. Watch the video. Okay, students. Watch the video. Okay. Bit mic. Turn off your microphones and watch the video. 3, 2, 1. Today, for the science experiment, I'm going to teach you about water absorbency. Again, listen. Water absorbency. Okay. If you don't understand, you can read it over here. Okay. Here, absorb means I cannot speak Thai. Can read.
เด็กๆเห็นไหมคะวันนี้เราจะเรียนเกี่ยวกับการดูดซับนะคะดูดซับน้ำนะคะ
Okay, so absorb it means items or รายการ items that can absorb water. Okay, let me show you. Okay, in the right side. Okay, over here, these are the ones that can absorb water. Okay, do sub absorb water. Okay, so let me show you, for example, this one. Okay, this is called a towel. Okay, this is called a towel. All right, so let me put the towel in the water. Okay, slowly. Oh, you see, it's bubbling. It's bubbling. You see bubble, right? Bubble. It means it's absorbing water. Okay. Now I'll get the towel out. The water is inside the towel. Okay. The water is inside the towel. How, Teacher Bobby? Here. 3, 2, 1. You see? You see? Okay. No more water. Okay, water finished. There's no water. Again. Okay. See, the towel absorbed water. Okay, the towel absorbed water. Okay. Okay. So here again, look at this. Okay. You understood already. Okay, about towel. So towel. Finished. Okay, now number 2, this is called a sponge. Okay, inภาษาไทย you call this sponge. Okay, so sponge can also absorb water. Okay, sponge can absorb water. Let me show you. You see, it's bubbling. Okay, you see, it's bubbling, meaning the sponge is absorbing water. Okay, the water is inside the sponge. Okay, now let me squeeze it. Teacher Bobby is squeezing. Okay, you see, 3, 2, 1. Sorry. Okay, do you understand? Yes. So this was sponge. Okay, tissue can also absorb water. Okay, here, see, water is inside the tissue, and then if I press it, see, no water anymore. Okay, yeah, no water. Paper can also absorb water. Okay, let me try. See, paper can also absorb water. Okay, see, again. The water is inside the paper. You see, the water is inside the paper. Now I will get the water out. Water out. Here, 3, 2, 1. Finished. Okay. All right. This side finished. Okay. Now I will show you the materials that do not absorb water. Can you explain them? These ones don't absorb water
สำหรับทางนี้นะคะทางนี้จะเป็นเอ่ออุปกรณ์ที่เราใช้ที่ไม่สามารถดูดซับน้ำได้นะคะนักเรียนมาดูกันเลยว่ามันดูดซับน้ำได้ไหมนะคะ
Okay, so let me start with plastic. This bottle is made of plastic. Plastic do not absorb water, okay? Plastic cannot absorb water, okay? Let me show you. You see? Plastic can get wet, เปียกได้ but absorb no, okay? No do sub, but เปียก yes, okay? Again, let me explain. You see, it's wet. It can get wet, but it will not absorb, okay? Glass. Okay, glass. You see, the same thing. The glass can get wet, but it will not absorb, okay? Glass เปียกได้ okay? It can get wet, but no absorb, okay? Metal, okay? This is a metal spoon, and this is called a ruler. These are made of metal. You see? Cannot absorb, but it can get wet. Wet in ภาษาไทย means เปียก okay? เปียกได้ดูซับไม่ได้ okay? Now look at this one, students. This is called a key, okay? This is called a key. Now this one, you see the black color part? This is made of plastic. This one is made of metal. Plastic, metal, oh. Rubber. You see the buttons are made of rubber. Rubber, plastic, metal. You see, it can get wet, but cannot absorb. Cannot absorb, okay? Again. You see, it's wet, but it will not absorb. Why? Because rubber, plastic, and metal cannot absorb water, okay? Rubber, plastic, and metal cannot absorb water, okay? And then the last one, okay? These are, this is called a glove, okay? See, gloves. So I put my hand here, okay? Glove is made of rubber, okay? The glove is made of rubber, and I just told you, rubber cannot absorb water, but it can get wet. เปียกได้ absorb ไม่ได้ okay? Alright, I hope you understood what I explained about water absorbency, okay? This one, this side, okay? It can get wet, but no absorb. It cannot absorb. But these ones over here, they will absorb, okay? Okay, have a nice day, okay? Goodbye. Okay.
Really good.
Okay, I'm back. So, how was the video? Do you understand? Yes or no? Yes or no?
But Bobby cut it boy.
Oh, you understood. Very good. So, oh, my math.
Boy.
So, it's very easy, not difficult. Water absorb, okay? Absorb again means doot sap. In English, it's called, what is it called in English? Doot sap, in English? What is it called in English? Here. Listen. Dood sap in Thai. In English, what is it called in English? Up, 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 absorb. Absorb. Yes, absorb. Okay. Okay. So students, so this is what teacher Bobby wanted to teach you today. Okay. So
No homework.
let me think. Homework or no homework? Let's see.
No homework. No homework. No homework. No homework. No homework. No.
Listen, students. Homework, right? Listen. Homework, maya. Homework is very easy. Homework. Have homework, but very, very easy. Okay?
Not easy.
Oh, easy. You just have to copy. You just have to copy in your science notebook. Here, science notebook, you just have to copy. Copy number 1 and copy number 2. When after number 2, finished. No number 3, no number 4, no number 5. Okay? You write the date, copy number 1 and copy number 2, and then finished. See? Copy, very easy or very difficult? Yes, very easy. Okay. Okay, students. So we are running out of time. We only have 4 minutes left. Okay. Okay, students. I will see you tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow is Thursday. We shall match tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Bye bye, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye. Oh, where is it now?